You know, springtime is almost here, and it's really time to look at your indoor house plants because they may have been neglected over the past few months. I'm just using a Leaf Shine product here to give a little bit of luster to those shiny leaves. And this is an anthurium. And so while I'm looking at it and cleaning it, I'm looking for insects because there might have been a couple that snuck in over the winter.
Now there's some really easy ways to take care of any insects on houseplants. If you're preferring a spray and that's all you want to do, there's a couple different products you can find. This is just an insecticidal soap, so that's generally a non-chemical product. And then right next to that is mites. Now, a lot of us do have spider mites and things like that. That's a specific, another organic product from Bonide that deals with spider mites. One of the things I love though is this granular insecticide granule. All you do is spoon out the right amounts into each plant. You till it in a little bit with a little fork or something, water it in, and that takes care of it for up to 6 weeks. So that's really handy.
And you know, this time of year is also the time to start fertilizing your plants. You could do it from like the middle of March until about the end of August. And there's so many different kinds of fertilizers because you have so many different kind of plants. So you want to select one that's great for your plant. If you have a blooming plant, you have just a foliage plant, you have a cactus, or maybe even an orchid. So you want to select the right fertilizer and just read the label and then just apply the fertilizer per the label.
So now some of you might not even have any houseplants, and that's okay because this is a great time of year to get some, bring them in, and especially if they have blooms on them, because then you have some color that leads you into spring. So we wanted to show you a few, like this wonderful new pothos. It's called Enjoy, and it really is a simple houseplant to grow. So that gives you some nice blend of leaf color there. Another one is this Guzmania. Now these plants are very simple. They're beautiful. The blooms, which really this isn't the bloom, it's bracts, but they last for weeks and weeks indoors. Did want to give you one little hint on them though. A lot of times in nature you're told to water in them. However, we suggest you water out here. That way inside you don't get any rotten water in the thing and it all goes down to the roots directly. And then of course we're going to show another pothos. Because of all the houseplants, they really are the easiest to grow. This is a wonderful variegated yellow and white one. So this one will grow up or down. You can also put it in a hanging basket and let it fall down, and they're very forgiving if you forget to water them every once in a while.
And then for some more color, this was the anthurium that I was cleaning earlier. The blooms come in this beautiful pink and light pink. They come in a deep red. They come in pure white. There's even some orange and purple. There's many different colored varieties. These will bloom and bloom and bloom. They need a lot of bright light, like a north window or an east window, and just keep them a little bit moist. And then also fertilizer. And then this dark pink plant here is called Kalanchoe, and it's another nice little bright color of blooms. They also come in a red, a white, a yellow, orange. Really, there's some for every season to brighten up your home.
So until we can actually enjoy the spring colors outside, why don't you pick yourself up some beautiful houseplants so you can enjoy spring color inside right now, and they have them at all of your favorite garden centers.